Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting back live from Kroger to get into some super awesome grocery deals this week. I told you guys we were going to be at Kroger all summer long because we need to stay stocked up on this food. So we have some amazing deals to get into this week. I'm really excited to share this week's video. I am also going to be doing a lot of Ibotta rebates because I need to hit 10 more rebates I think today in order to hit my fireworks bonus. So we are going to go ahead and get that done as well. So this first deal, my store does not have tagged, but the Kellogg's large size cereal. These are $1.69 with the store digital coupon. I'm also going to be using this $1 off of 2 printable coupon from the Kellogg's Family Rewards website. So when I buy 2 boxes for $1.69, use one of these coupons, I'm going to pay just $2.38 at the register for both boxes. But then I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $1 in cash back. 50 cents for this one and 50 cents for this one. That's going to make my final cost just 69 cents per large box. And if you want to wait on this deal, we do have a Catalina offer for Kellogg cereal that is starting on Monday, July 11th, but I'm not sure our Ibotta rebates will also be available at the same time as that deal. So I'm only going to grab a couple boxes today, and I will stock up some more if the Ibotta rebates are available with that Catalina offer, because these should be super cheap with both offers. If you like the Kellogg's Nutri-Grain bars, these are also included in the mega event for just $1.99, and we also have a $1 off of 2 coupon on the Kellogg's reward site for these. That'll make these just $1.49 a piece. The next deal we're going to grab is on the Chobani oat milk. So this is not tagged in my store, but this is $2.69. Ibotta is giving $2 in cash back, so that's going to make this just 69 cents with no coupon required. Another almond milk deal we're going to do is on the Almond Breeze. So this deal is going to have 2 parts to it, but the first part, we're going to grab one of these shelf stable milks. So these are actually on the mega event, although my store is not tagged. They should be $1.39 because they're $2.39, but we should save an additional $1 with the mega event. The next thing I want to grab is the Betty Crocker sheet pan dinner starter. So this is a new product that I just want to try. So these are $2.49 regular price. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon, and Ibotta is giving back 75 cents in cash back. So after both of those savings, this should be just $1.24. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Blue Diamond Extremes. My husband tried these last week, you guys, the cayenne pepper one, and he fell in love. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some more. So we're gonna grab 2 of these for $3.99 each. That'll total us up to $7.98. I'm gonna be using the $1.50 off of 1 manufacturer coupons on these. So these 2 are going to total us up to $7.98. We are going to use the $2.50 coupons and pay $4.98 at the register. Then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $3 in cash back. And I'm also going to submit for a $5 Visa card rebate on these. So after that rebate, these 2 babies will be free, plus a $3.02 moneymaker. We have some amazing deal on bread products this week. We are definitely going to be stocked up on bread. So the first deal I'm going to be doing is on the Thomas Maple French Toast English Muffins. These look really good. So these are $2.29, and I am going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $1.25. That's going to make this just $1.04. Next bread deal is on the Nature's Own Hawaiian bread. So these are just $1.99 with the mega event pricing. Ibotta is giving back $1.25. This loaf of bread is going to be just 74 cents. The next deal is going to be on the Nature's Own thick slice sourdough bread. So these are just $2.99. Ibotta is going to be giving us back $2 on this, making this only 99 cents. This next deal I would have done, but I left my coupon at home. So these are $1.99 on the mega event. These are the Cheez-It Puffs. We do have a $1 printable coupon on the Kellogg's reward site, and Fetch Rewards is giving back 70 cents each. That'll make these just 20 cents a bag. The next deal I'm grabbing is on the Kellogg's crackers. So for this deal, I'm going to need to buy at least 2 of the Townhouse. So we're gonna get 2 boxes of those for $1.99, and I'm also gonna get 1 box of the Club Crackers for $1.99 as well. So these 3 are gonna total us up to $5.97. I'm gonna use this $1.25 off of 3 printable coupon from the Kellogg's reward site, and that's gonna leave me to pay just $4.72 at the register. So we're gonna pay that $4.72, then I'm gonna submit back to Ibotta for $2 in cash back for the Townhouse. That's gonna make these just $2.72 for all 3, or just 90 cents per box. The next thing I'm grabbing is some Sabra hummus. So these are $3.99 regular price, but I have a Fetch Rewards offer giving 100% back, so this will be completely free after Fetch. Next thing we're gonna grab is some cheap chips. I'm gonna get stocked up on Tostitos and some Ruffles today. So these are just $1.99 when you buy 4. The Doritos are also included in this deal. I actually think I'm gonna grab 5 bags of chips today. The next thing I'm grabbing, I don't have any coupons or a deal for other than this sale price because we need it. So I'm gonna grab this 6-pack of Pop Secret popcorn. These are on sale for just $2.79 this week. The next deal I thought was gonna be an awesome moneymaker from Swag Bucks, because when I walked in the store, we had a 600-point offer, which is $6 back on 2 bags of these Crunch or Butterfinger minis, which would have made them a $1 moneymaker because they are actually on sale for $2.49 each. But by the time I got to the car and went to submit my receipt, the price of the rebate, the value of the rebate had been changed to only $1, making them an actual cost of $2 per bag, which completely sucks. So I'm actually going to be returning these, but I did buy them. So my store does not have the Frutella soft gummy candy in stock, but if your store does, you definitely want to grab it this week. So they're just $1.50 on sale this week, and Shopkick is giving us back $2.10. So that'll make that baby free plus a 60-cent moneymaker. I need to grab a couple packages of pasta. These are $1.67 each. I do not have a coupon for these. Next up, I'm grabbing a single Envy apple. So this was 92 cents. I submitted over to Shopkick for $1.40 back, making the apple free plus a 48-cent moneymaker. The Del Monte Veggie are the next moneymaker on my list. I'm going to be grabbing 2 different varieties for $3.98, which is the mega event pricing. And then from Shopkick, I'm going to get back a total of $5.80. 1,450 kicks between the scan and the buy kicks. That's gonna make these free plus $1.82 moneymaker. The Green Giant Simply Steamed Vegetables are just $1.29 on the mega event. So I am gonna grab one of these today. The next item we're grabbing is the Tostino's Pizza Rolls. So these are $3.99 on the mega event. We got a 75-cent digital coupon, and we have 50 cents back on Ibotta, making these just $2.75. The next thing we're grabbing is the Kind frozen bars. So these are on the mega event for $3.99, and we still have a $4 Ibotta rebate if you have not used it already. So with that $4 back, that makes these completely free. I also wanted to grab some of the Blue Bunny twist cones, but my store does not have any of those left. These are buy one, get one free. So here they ring out for half price. So I could buy 2 of them for $6.99. I planned on using a $1 off of 2 printable coupon from the Blue Bunny website. That would have left me to pay $5.98 and then get back $3 from Ibotta, making these just $1.49 each. You can also use 2 of the 75-cent coupons instead, and that'll make these 25 cents cheaper per box. The next deals we're grabbing are some free and some almost free Lunchables. So first deal up, this is going to be a Shopkick deal. So you can grab one of these for just $1.25, but Shopkick is giving back $1.30 total kicks, making this free plus a 5-cent moneymaker. Then for the Lunchables with Capri Suns, these are giving back $2.40 on Shopkick, making these just 10 cents. And then for the Lunchables with Capri Suns, these are a really good deal as well with Shopkick. So these are $2.50 each, but then Shopkick is giving back $2.10 in scan and buy kicks, making these only 40 cents for one. You can also do a complete deal buying one of each product. So one of these, and then one of the Lunchables reloaded. With all 3 of those, your total price for all 3 will be just $1.74 or 58 cents each. The next thing I'm grabbing is the Unstoppables Touch, the Febreze products. So these are $3.99 and we have a $3 off manufacturer coupon in the July PNG. That makes these babies just 99 cents each. You can get the Febreze Odor Eliminator for 50% off if your store has these $3 hang tags. So these were on sale for $8.49, and Ibotta also has a $1.25 rebate. So you would pay just $4.24 after both of those savings. The Snuggle is also included on the mega event this week, and we do have nice manufacturer coupons. So you could grab the Snuggle scent boosters for $2.79 and use our $2 coupon. It would be just 79 cents. The Suave body wash is just 99 cents on the mega event, and we do have a dollar off of 2 insert coupon that will make these just 49 cents each. But I'm going to be using this $2 off of 2, hopefully I can zoom in, printable coupon on these instead. These came from the Suave email list. This $2 off coupon is going to make these completely free, so I'm going to grab 4 bottles for free today. The next thing we're grabbing for free is the Skintimate Shave Gel. So these are just $1.99. I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $1 back. And we also have a $1 digital coupon, which will make these free 99. Next deal up is a moneymaker on the Kotex pads. So we are going to buy 2 of these. These are on sale for $1.99 with the store digital coupon. So 2 will total us up to $3.98. We got a $4 off of 2 paper coupon that will make these completely free. And we're going to submit back over to Fetch Rewards for $1 in cash back. That'll make these free plus a $1 moneymaker. The Vagisil Feminine Wash is on sale for just $2.49 on the mega event. This is a really good discount from $6.99, which is the regular price. There are also $1 off of 2 Peelies on here. That would make these just $1.99 each. If you're in need of Dawn dish soap, you can grab these big 32-ounce bottles this week for just $3.49 with our $1 coupon that you can find in the July PNG. The next part of our almond milk deal we're going to grab is one of these for just $3.49. Alternatively, you could also buy one of these for $5.19. So these are going to be my complete almond milk deal. So these are going to total me up to $4.98 for both items. We're going to pay $1.39 for the shelf milk and then $3.49 for the other milk. Then we're going to submit to Ibotta for 50 cents in cash back. And I am also going to be submitting back for the full cost of this milk on the almond milk website. They do have a rebate that is available. So after that, that's going to make the final cost for both of these just 99 cents. I'm going to grab one of these Siggies because my store has them on closeout for just 99 cents. I have a $1 Ibotta rebate, which will make it completely free. But I also have a bonus for doing this deal twice for 50 cents. So I'll get back $1.50 after paying the 99 cents, making this baby a 51-cent moneymaker. All right, you guys, so I got all of my groceries over here. You guys, we got a lot going on this week. I told you the deals were fire. We got a cart full. So I have my paper coupons pulled right here. I'm about to go and check out, and then we will debrief after to see how everything went. So my total before my coupons and savings were applied was $159.61. Then I went on ahead and scanned my paper coupons. I always scan them before I enter my phone number so that my checkout will go smooth. And that brought my subtotal down to $140. Everything scanned successfully with no problem. Then I went on ahead and entered my phone number so the rest of my savings could apply. And that brought me all the way down to $61.91 plus tax for this first transaction, and then I did a second transaction with just $20 worth of items. And that $5 customer rebate that you see on the screen is the Kroger cash back that I earned in my last Kroger haul. So here's a close-up of my receipt for that first transaction. Everything worked out successfully. Here is the receipt for my second transaction that worked out perfectly as well. I ended up not having to pay for this transaction because I did have to call Kroger customer service some months ago. They gave me a $25 credit, just a free $25 for a poor experience that I had with a store that did not want to take my coupons. So I used that $25 credit today. I still have some left, but that made that second transaction completely free. So that is why it says customer customer relations there. For transaction number one, I spent out $61.91. Transaction number two would have cost me $17.63. I didn't have to pay that because of that customer relations credit. But total out, I would have spent $79.54. Then I got back a total of $68.04. So for Ibotta, I got back $43.75. I did use two different Ibotta accounts, which is why I did two separate transactions so I could use me and my husband's account and double up on a couple of the offers. He also had a $3 midweek bonus on his account that I did fulfill by buying 6 offers on his account. I also had Ibotta glitch in a couple different ways for me. It gave me back a few extra dollars. I had the Febreze give me back some money on Ibotta, even though I did not buy the odor eliminator. It attached to that spray that I bought. And then the Blue Diamond also gave me some extra money on Ibotta as well. Then for the shop kick, I got back $10.60. For the Blue Diamond rebates, we're going to be getting back $8.49. And then from Fetch Rewards, I got back $5.20. So that's a total back of $68.04, which would have made this cost only $11.50 for like $180 worth of grocery, which is crazy. But because I did have that credit, this was actually a $6 moneymaker for me. I was able to turn that credit into real cash money with Ibotta. So let me know if you have any questions, you guys. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, I thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna head back to Kroger after I get done with this video and do some more of these deals, pick up some more Suave, some more Kotex, some more Febreze. Let me know what you're heading to Kroger to get. What's your favorite deal this week? As always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.